Hello there. So we're looking at some addition and subtraction strategies today, and today we're going to look at friends of 10. So students have been going over these. Now our friends of 10 are numbers such as 1 plus 9, 2 plus 8, 3 plus 7, 4 plus 6, and 5 plus 5. All of those numbers, when added up, make 10. And those should be something that students have memorized, because it's going to help with their automaticity with solving addition, and if they don't, and subtraction. And if they don't have those solidly in mind, it's going to be a lot more difficult for them. So, move this over here a little bit. Yeah, so I'm going to give you some examples of how those work out. So, my first example over here is 4 plus 6 equals 10. So a lot of what you will see at this stage are students who will want to count everything on their fingers. And so when they see 4 plus 6, those who struggle the most will usually start off counting up to 4, and then they'll count on 6 more. And they'll often get confused or make errors in how much they count. So knowing 4 plus 6 equals 10 will help them enormously, because they can just skip over that step. It takes a lot of practice for them to get there, even if it seems like they've memorized these. If they haven't really got them right off, if they know them right away, then they're unlikely to use them when it comes up in a scenario like this. They're going to fall back to that counting. And the reason why we want to avoid that counting is that it's way more likely that they're going to make an error, and especially with the smaller numbers, it's unlikely that they're going to be making as big errors, although they can. But especially as we get into our 2-digit numbers, it's going to become a lot more difficult for them. So we really want to get these down and recognizing them right off. So again, like the weakest strategy for this would be to count up to 4 and then count 6 more, because that's a high likelihood of errors there. The next best strategy would be for them to count from 6 and then count up 4 more. But better than counting is for them to know the friends of 10 and to be able to say, oh, 4 plus 6 is 10. Or 6 plus 4 is 10. That's the other thing, is they tend to memorize them only in one direction. So if I say 2, they can say 8. If I say 4, they can say 6. But if I say 7, they may not be able to say 3. Or if I say 8, they may not be able to say 2. So we want them memorized both ways around. And you can do that by playing things like Go Fish, where you have to make friends of 10 pairs instead of like matching pairs. So our next one we're going to look at is friends of 10 plus or minus 1 or 2. So if they know that 4 plus 6 equals 10, they're not going to have a hard time understanding that, oh, 4 plus 7, well, you don't need to count that. You can just say, oh, 4 plus 6 is 10, and then 7 is 1 more than 6. So the answer is going to be 1 more than 10. It's going to be 11. Now, some students may need to count this out with counters and get that into their mind that way. Just kind of solidify that in something that they can manipulate and touch. But yes, this really will help them a lot, because if they're trying to count everything on their fingers, again, it's going to lead to more errors. And it's going to take more time too. At first, it seems way more straightforward to them. They're not going to like this because it's going to take more thinking, and it's just, it's just not as straightforward to them because they're not as accustomed to it. But it really is something to push to get them to accept and use. So then let's look at subtraction with it. So if I have 10 take away 6, subtraction can be really tricky for students to count. And so a better way is to think of what makes up 10. Okay, so if you have 10, you're like, oh, you took away 6, and you're like, oh, 6 and 4 always make 10, so I know that's 4 left over, right? And then the same thing would go along with, oh, 11 take away 6. Well, if 10 take away 6 is 4, then 11 take away 6, I'm starting with 1 more, so I'm going to end up with 1 more. All right, so those are our friends of 10, and now I've only shown plus or minus 1 here, but it can also be plus or minus 2. All right, that's that strategy.